a tree, burn up a tree. Alright, serious business now. You have some people, are going a people taxi and sit down in the car front, and as the taxi man turn and thief a man silver them, them little thing them burn up. You have some set of people now. Some set of youth. I go around and borrow people lighter. And when you look them gone with it, you call them lighter thief. Them little thing they burn up. Lighter too cheap, them thing they burn up. You have some girl now not see no other man in the world for them look. They not see no other man in the world for them look besides them friend man. Them little thing they burn up. You have a set of girl now walk around with the 2-inch and the 3-inch and the 4-inch toenail them. That nah add up. That nah happen. That are from O2, them little thing they burn up. You have some other little man now. You and them a virgin and every way 2 hours now go them jumping on the car on the ride, go say on the ride, go this on the ride, come back. And them might never tell them to put little gas in your car yet. You them little thing they burn up. You have some girl now ready till you and them a go road and they have them things, They add them things. When me say they add them things, they add them things. But to them red. To the way them red, them still have to borrow your things. Them little thing they burn up. You have some people now have some black dirty dishcloth in them kitchen I use. When you look at Junju they pan them, have them I use a lift off pot. Have them I use a wipe off counter and them them little thing they burn up. I'm not afraid to look at germs. Them little thing they burn up. You can get a dishcloth for $70 uptown and if a foreign you live $1. You have a next set of girl now, I know them still now have a dozen drawers yet. It no look good. It don't look good. You can't get a dress with $1 if you live in America and every Saturday at Jamaica you have man a walk around and sell Pandy River, Pandy Bank for $70 to $100. That no look good. Them little thing they burn up. You have some man now I walk around a big girl them front from Whoppi Kill fill up and the girl I go around them, till the girl do go soft out and decide see alright them will give them, and when you look them have the girl business walk a talk all about it, tell them friend. Them little thing they burn up. Them little thing they have when you use the front, but for you with it, I know see alright girl thing I just a everyday thing, them the thing they burn up. The less you talk the more you get. The girl them attack them tired of uno. You have some next man now a request. You have some next man now a request the sexy picture them and the naked picture them and the girl them pum pum and something in a phone. And when them get it, them have it to show them virgin. Them the thing they are pitney business. Them the thing they burn up. When me say them things they burn up, them the little things they burn up. Them burn up, you burn up, you burn up, you burn up, you burn up. You have a next set of people, man. Then if you're hungry, them just crave. Them crave so till as they see her eat something, no matter whether they're hungry or not, them have to beg it. Them burn up. And next set of girl now, them they road at night time, and when them are going, me I tell us the whole of them foot burn up, because them yard front to them bill. Them little mats then add up on a burn up. And we go so now and see alright, we are free up on some of my freakiness. Some of my freakiness alright, some of my freaky. Some man take it too far. Una take it too far. You see the who in a buying business, they una take it too far. Them little thing they burn up. Why? Them little thing they burn up.